All right, now we're going to be looking at an array, and we worked with arrays yesterday. We worked with arrays in multiplication. So now we're going to see if this array represents an even or odd number, and we're going to do something really similar to grouping in groups of 2, just like we did in the one with the hearts, okay? Colin drew the following array. Does this array represent an even or an odd number? And then we're going to type our answer down here. So does this represent an even or an odd number? Well, what I can do is I can kind of group these together based on even or odd. So that is a group, that's 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 a group, another group, another group, and another group. I don't have any boxes or any squares left out in part of my array. So that means that this is going to be an even number, and I can also count my squares. I can count the squares in your array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And the number 18 ends in the number 8. And I know that 8 is an even number. And so 18 would be an even number. So this array represents an even number. Okay, and then you guys are going to do something similar to this in the next slide, and let me show you what that's going to look like. I have these little lines for you that you can use to drag. That will kind of represent you grouping them together, and then you can tell me if your answer is even or odd right here.